Russian Navy's first Project 22350 frigate. The Admiral Gorshkov has been deployed and is said to be armed with new Zircon hypersonic cruise missiles. Frigate Admiral Gorshkov was officially commissioned in 2018 and is the part of Russian Navy's Northern Fleet. Gorshkov-class frigates are said to be one of the top class and most modern surface combatants and a class leader of its kind among the various ships in service around the world. The Admiral Gorshkov-class frigates are anticipated to represent the backbone of the Russian fleet in the future. For potential buyers, an export variant of this frigate class is also being considered. Admiral Gorshkov-class frigates are the ideal illustration of multi-role frigates. Other frigates specialize in particular missions like anti-air or anti-submarine warfare. This Russian frigate was built to cover a variety of functions that a conventional frigate class would not be able to, including long-range attacks against surface targets and ships, anti-submarine warfare, escort operations, and deployment in a range of circumstances. The best weapons and sensors that Russian industry is capable of producing are included in this new class of Russian frigates. According to Gorshkov's commanding officer, Captain Igor Krokmal, the ship is loaded with different variants of caliber subsonic cruise missile comprising of anti-ship and land attack variants. These frigates can fire Onyx supersonic anti-ship cruise missiles as well. The most interesting weapon of the Admiral Gorshkov is said to be hypersonic cruise missile named Zircon, which will be launched along with previously mentioned missiles from the array of 16 multi-purpose vertical launch cells at the bow end of the ship. There is another 32-cell vertical launching systems for medium-range air defense missiles, 2 quadruple 330mm torpedo launchers for special Peckett NK torpedoes give anti-submarine/anti-shipping capability. These have a dual use because they can counter both incoming torpedoes and hostile submarines. The Admiral Gorshkov-class frigates are also equipped a 130mm main cannon, the Reddit Navalized S-350 surface-to-air missile system, the Palash close-in weapon systems, and torpedoes. There are now 3 of these warships in the Russian Navy, and there are 7 more that are in various stages of construction and outfitting. 6 of those next examples are anticipated to be of a better subtype, which will likely include, among other things, a doubled number of vertical launch system cells. The Zircon's range is believed to be 500 kilometers at low altitude and up to 750 kilometers on a semi-ballistic trajectory. However, the state-run media in Russia claims it to be 1,000 kilometers. It is a 2-stage missile with a scramjet motor in the second stage and solid fuel in the first stage. Mostly because of its speed, the Zircon missile is useful from a strategic standpoint. It was revealed that the Zircon tested at a speed of Mach 8 in April 2017. If that information is true, the Zircon missile would be the fastest in the entire planet, making defense against it practically impossible. The missile's plasma cloud is another useful feature. The missile is totally engulfed in a plasma cloud while in flight, which absorbs all radio frequency radiation and renders the missile undetectable to radars. As a result, the missile can travel undetected to its target. Given that they considerably reduce the time it takes for the weapon to reach its target, and thus lower the amount of time defenders have to react, hypersonic cruise missiles provide new operational challenges for enemy forces at sea and on land. Additionally, hypersonic cruise missiles would be extremely challenging to intercept due to their significant levels of mobility. It is unclear how many Zircons are put on the ship or how many the Russian military has available overall if Gorshkov is indeed carrying them. Additionally, there are concerns regarding the dependability of the current missiles and the country's potential current capacity for producing more. Ruling international sanctions implemented because of the war in Ukraine have significantly hurt Russia's defense industries, among other things. These problems have been made worse by the nation's excessive reliance on foreign electronics for the manufacture of cutting-edge weapon systems. The Russian military's intention to use this deployment as a significant show of force in light of its escalating geopolitical isolation following the start of its all-out war on Ukraine in February 2022 appears to be evident. Thanks for watching. If you came this far, that means you like our content. If you like our way of presenting things, thereby simplifying defense technologies for you, do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon and select all option to get notified when we upload a video. Do like and share this video with friends and family. It will help us create more content like this in the future. This is Defense Space signing off.